how to download, edit an Instagram app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Instagram Edits app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download it. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Edits an Instagram app and search for it. Select the first search result for Instagram Edits. Tap on the install button. The Instagram Edits app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can start using the Instagram Edits app on your mobile device. Simply tap on the open button, give all the necessary permissions, then it will prompt you to log in or continue using your Instagram account. After that, you will be all set to use Edits and Instagram app. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download Instagram Edits on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.